Oh, Mr. Elliot, wait, please.
You went this way. No, that way. I mean, it's a really important date. All right, hello, good night.
They're weeds. Look. Now this is curious. Told you would.
Hello, something? I'm not sure where I am either.
Hey, don't go and leave.
This way.
This is the ordinary day. We're taking the roses back.
So tell the queen what you have seen.
Or say that's what we said. But we're painting the roses red. Nothing. Not me.
Not actually.
We're painting the roses red.
Imperial Highness, the Queen of Hearts, and the King.
Shall we play croquet?
Rule 42, the Queen always wins.
Off with their head! Off with their head! Goodness!
Thank you.